Can you start your own company soon after college? Meet Raman Talwar, who went from an engineering student to building a company that's changing how industries train their workforce.
My name is Raman Talwar and I'm a chemical engineer by degree. I did my schooling in Delhi and I moved to England at the age of 17 to study chemical engineering.
After completing his master's in chemical engineering with a focus on nanotechnology and material science, he landed a job at Reckitt Benckiser in the UK. But what happened next, a task set by his manager, changed everything.
He just gave me a job to walk into one of the plants and actually fix a problem they were facing with the manufacturing lines there. And the only help I had and I was given was a paper document, which we call as a standard operating procedure. I could not comprehend what was written on the paper.
The factory operators who had no formal education knew more than he did because of their hands-on experience. That moment made Raman realize learning from textbooks isn't enough. Real-world skills matter more. He had studied research, manufacturing, and engineering design. But this experience made him rethink how technical training should be. What if learning could be more engaging, like a game? Instead of manuals, what if workers could train through simulations?
It requires a lot of hands-on experience to do anything in a manufacturing plant. And that was the genesis of the entire idea, where I felt that what if a novice in terms of experience, but having a lot of skill and knowledge, could walk into a plant, simply operate it like a game or understand it through animation sequences or visual simulations, and then end up learning about it in a quick time, as opposed to going through the grind of getting that about 20-30 years of experience or even 10 years of experience and then doing all those tasks.
Raman returned to India and founded Simulanis, a company transforming industrial training using augmented reality and virtual reality.
It was all about how we could democratize the access to learning.
Today, Simulanis is a leader in immersive training serving industries like pharmaceuticals, automotive, and oil and gas. Backed by $1.4 million in funding, the company has won prestigious awards like the Aegis Graham Bell Award for Innovation in VR and the Sankalp Award for Impact in Industrial Learning. And the industry? It's booming. The global AR/VR in training market is expected to grow to $142.4 billion by 2030, driven by the need for hands-on skill development. India's Industry 4.0 movement is also fueling demand. 88% of manufacturing leaders believe immersive tech will be critical for workforce training. If you think you need years of experience before starting up, think again. The right time to start is when you find a problem big enough to solve.